Good morning and happy Friday, everyone. I'm glad that you all were able to find the recording and watch. Happy April Fool's Day to all of you. I am not in the office today as I emailed yesterday at a conference with Miss Hanley today. But I wanted to give you an overview of what you're going to be doing today, specifically in language arts and math. I hope that you don't joke too much with your parents and grandparents and siblings today for April Fool's Day. You guys are lucky we don't have a live learning today. I was planning a big trick on you guys. Not really, but happy April Fools to all of you and happy April. March went really, really quick. Okay, so for today, if you had a chance to look at your calendar, in language arts, you're writing a text-dependent analysis essay. Okay, remember, we actually started one together for the Perfect Swim a few Tuesdays ago in our Language Arts Live Learning session, our prep session. Today you are going to read a passage and you're going to be writing your own text-dependent analysis essay. Okay, I do have a graphic organizer in the lesson today in 12.5 for you to use to help you write this essay. Okay, this is to be done in one sitting. Okay, this is practice for PSSAs where you will be writing these text-dependent analysis essays. Okay, remember, these are worth 19% of your PSSA score for English language arts, so it's really important for comprehension and analysis for you to read the passage very carefully and make sure that you answer the question carefully. Right, this is the text-dependent analysis question. Okay, so you're going to be reading the prompt, Surfing Iowa, all right, which I have in the lesson for you. Then you're going to respond to this question below. Okay, I want you to write an essay format. Okay, there are no short answers on the PSSAs. Okay, these are in essay format, so I expect you to have a clear introduction, a clear body, and a clear conclusion, as well as making sure you're going back to use specific text evidence, paraphrasing, quotations, and summary from Surfing Iowa to help prove your essay response. Okay, so the prompt is in the lesson for you, and here is the question. It says, in the reading Surfing Iowa, how does the author's point of view help develop the theme? Write an essay in which you analyze how the author's point of view helps develop the theme. Use specific text evidence to support your analysis. This is a very similar question to what you may see on your PSSA, so this is good practice. All right, so let's look at this question. So first of all, it says, how does the author's point of view help develop the theme? So we have to, number one, determine what the author's point of view is, and number two, think about how does it help develop the theme in the passage? Okay, so you have to determine the point of view, and then you have to determine what the theme is. Okay, remember, a theme is not one word. Okay, a theme is not love. A theme is not courage. Okay, a theme is a statement about the big world that we can apply after reading. So what did the author want us to take away from Surfing Iowa? What is the big idea? What is the theme? Okay, and how did the author's point of view help develop that? That is what you're looking to write today. Okay, I do have an example introduction here for you. So after you read, okay, this is just an example to get you started. Okay, so my introduction says, I'm starting with a question to capture my audience's attention. Have you ever been in a situation where your world was flipped upside down? In Surfing Iowa by Karen Del Cava, the main character Jeff tells us about his experience through his eyes, which helps develop the theme of the passage. And notice I left this blank because I want you to determine what the theme is. Okay, but this is an example of how your introduction should be written. Okay, now if a main character is telling us about an experience through their eyes, it should be a big flag for you that this is written in first person point of view. Okay, first person point of view. All right, so you have to, number one, figure out what the point of view is. Number two, what is the theme? All of your themes may be different. Some of your themes may be similar. Some of them may be very different. There are definitely a couple different themes that you could pick out from Surfing Iowa. All right, so after you write your introduction in your body paragraphs, look what I have here. Okay, you need 3 examples, right? 3 explanations of how the theme is developed through the point of view. Okay, if the point of view is in first person, then you're probably going to get a lot of emotions, right? You're probably going to see things that are experienced through the character's eyes. All right, so how is the theme developed through the point of view? That's what you're trying to relay in your body. Okay, remember, I don't want a summary of the passage. That's not what the question is asking, right? Okay, the text-dependent analysis essay is asking how the author's point of view helps develop the theme. Okay, all right. So I look forward to reading your responses. Okay, I do have the PSSA rubric and the assessment scoring guidelines linked in the lesson. This is your only task for language arts today, so I expect this to be written very well. I expect a clear introduction, clear body paragraphs, and a clear conclusion. Okay, we're going to practice writing one of these together on Tuesday as well in our 1 o'clock PSSA session. Okay, make sure you check for grammar and spelling errors. Okay, so that's language arts for today. All right, going back to our overview for today. In math, you are on a PSSA practice test. This time, you are reviewing geometry. I do have the PSSA formula sheet linked for you in lesson 12.5. You cannot answer the questions without using the formula sheet. Okay, make sure you pay extra special attention to finding the area of a triangle. Remember, area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. Don't forget to take the half. Okay, it's different than a rectangle. In science, you're working on resources and ecosystems. Okay, so you have a review. And in social studies, you have a short quiz to complete today. You also have a short reading about the 5 good emperors of the Roman Empire. Okay, this is a very interesting read, and I did allow you guys to have 2 attempts on your quiz today since we cannot take it together. Okay, so if you're watching this, yes, I did allow 2 attempts on the social studies quiz today since we're unable to take it together today in the live learning. Okay, please make sure that you read about the 5 good emperors. All right, I hope you enjoy it. Coming up in science, you will have an exam, a review exam for Unit 12 on Monday, and then next week we will start our cells unit. Okay, I'm very excited for Unit 13. All right, so please make sure you submit these things today. We have a really great start to quarter number 4. A lot of you guys have been really on the ball in this current quarter, and you know, I really like us to finish off the year strong, despite all the disruptions with PSSAs and you know, being out of the office. Please make sure that you're just, you know, following your daily calendar and submitting your lessons. Okay, I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you all on Monday. Enjoy. Again, if you need anything, make sure you contact Mrs. Chambers. Her extension is 140. Okay, if you have any questions at all. Bye, everyone. Have a great day.